Guys, welcome to the first video about the Metazoo. We're gonna get right into it. This is gonna be the first video of on the channel where I talk about my journey through Metazoo and other lectures that I'm probably posting and other card games that I do play Flesh and Blood and I do collect Pokemon. This is gonna be a video before anything. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a random dude who lives with his aunt in the room in the back of the house. All right, so don't take anything here serious. Don't take my financial advice is go and buy all the boxes. Don't do that. Just in entertainment purposes and for fun and for just how my opinion and how I'm looking at the market and how I seen it go from where it started from pre-orders to the price it peaked and to where it's at now and my opinion on it and etc. etc. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. You know, I've been following the market since July. By the way, my name is Zeke. I didn't even give you guys an introduction, but my name is Zeke. So I've been following the market since like mid to early July, right? This is where pre-orders were taking in. Pre-orders were taking in around $90 to $120 pre-order. I actually been following the game prior to July because I saw Papa Rudy talk about it. I'm sitting at Popeyes getting my 3-piece chicken and I'm listening to Papa Rudy school me on Metazoo. So I was like, you know what, let me go check this out. And I look at Metazoo's website and I look at it and I'm thinking to myself, this is just a cash grab scheme and I'm gonna lose my money and the website doesn't even look legit. It doesn't look good. And I'm thinking, even if I do order some of this stuff, with all the delays and all the stuff that's going on, I might never get my product and they're just gonna take my money and whatever. So I was like, I ain't even gonna do all that. So I said, I kind of like just blew it off. And this was like earlier in the year when I seen that video. I blew it off. Then I started to see the hype pump start happening around July, pre-order time. And this is where I joined the Facebook group. I joined the Facebook group like early to mid-July prior to the August, we're gonna put here, August 1st, which is the release date of the booster boxes, the first edition print, which was August 1st. And we're gonna put some price points here. We'll put 200, we'll go 250, 300, and then it kind of gets a little crazier, but it's gonna get 300, we'll go 400, and we'll go 500, 600, and then we'll peak up here. I get some price points on the charts. We're gonna go down, give you the breakdown, give you the analysis, my analysis, and as we begin here, August 1st, right? Price points, pre-orders, people trying to scheme you for 130, 140, right? Remember that. Pre-orders, 90 to 120. I saw, where's my green marker? I saw these boxes skyrocket, all right? And I'm thinking that August 1st is gonna come because the artwork and all that stuff is just a cash grab scheme and it's gonna fail. Well, I was wrong. I saw these boxes go from August 1st. As a matter of fact, where's my blue mark again? We're gonna put up week 2 right here. So this is, oh my God, this is unstable. August 8th, which is 1 week into the market. I saw these boxes nearly skyrocket to around $400. Where's my August 8th? Yep, just skyrocket. I mean, huge green, bullish indicator, however you want to call it. Big, huge green line. Don't think nasty. That is on week 2. All right, I saw this go up to around $400 to $350, and it sold within these price ranges, around these price ranges for a couple of days, maybe like to the 9th or 10th. Then we get into the mid of the second week, so we're talking maybe August, I don't know, 13th through 14th, maybe around here, mid of the second week. This is where we seen the peak. Boxes go up even higher, right? And I mean, they get up to the 700 range. I seen a couple boxes sell even higher. People trying to cash grab and scheme, and this is the bracket where all the Timmies came in. All the Timmies are in this bracket right here, within here and here. I mean, the hardcore Timmies are up here, hardcore Timmy like up here. You know, Metazoo to the moon and cash grab up there, and Timmy's phone wing at 700. As a matter of fact, we're gonna put this peak zone, so we're gonna put this at a red dot. This is peak for me, boys. Peak zone, 700. Say a little bit more or less, but that is towards maybe like the middle of week 2. all the Timmys are FOMOing it up there, and even me, I FOMO'd around right here and bought pack art for $60, and I'm getting hosed right now. We'll show you that later in the video, but I didn't have any product. This was going into like the second week and I still didn't have any product, and I was like, you know what, I want to get the feel for the cards. I want to actually look at the holo in person, get the feel for it. And the reason I did that was because after following the market, I ended up catching some feelings for the artwork, and it just kind of grew on me. And then I was like, you know what, we're gonna get into it, and that's when I FOMO'd in there, whatever the case may be, and I bought some product. I love the holo, I love the artwork, but I'm a player at heart, so I also like to play the game. And that's why I haven't bought any boxes, because I am not gonna pay the Timmy prices of $700. So we go into week 3. So beginning of week 3, August 21st, week 3. All right, we actually start to see the pullback. We see the pullback happening between like the second week up until the third week. We see a pullback happening, and we're dropping now. We're dropping between $500-$600 at this point. We are dropping, and then now as the recording of the video, we are August. Oh, let me move this around. August 26, right? Box prices are now averaging around $420. So we've been consolidating downward like this up until week 26, but I'm seeing it do this. We do have some support at this level. If you notice, this is a support level. But I do day trade stocks, and I'm into the crypto, and I'm market open, and I'm looking at my buy setups and my sell setups and my breakdowns and my breakouts, and I'm into all of that craziness. If you're in the stock world, you'll know that when you do a pattern like this and it gets smaller and it gets smaller, it's a breakdown. What is a breakdown? A breakdown is if it breaks these prior support levels, you're free falling. That is a breakdown. So for all you Timmys that bought between this bracket, especially if you bought above that $500 mark, you are in the red. You are losing. Especially if you opened the product, you are definitely losing. I'll bring a video later comparing the Metazoo's sealed product versus the singles and things like that, where that's kind of the route that I'm kind of approaching right now because of the crazy prices on the boxes. But we'll get into that in another video. We can see the breakdown happening. So what does that tell me? That there is room for the boxes to go lower, where there is some support again here at the 350 level. You could see these boxes reach 350. You would like to see the boxes maybe consolidate, and depending on the consolidation, because we are now I gotta actually put that further out because this is the 26th. I don't want to confuse you guys. So we are consolidating here. This is the 26th, yes. So if it breaks down here, this is where we get into September. This will be 1 month after release, September 1st. 1 month after release. If this is the case, remember guys, this is all just for fun, and this is nothing here is factual. Don't take anything I'm saying too serious. If August 21st, that week breaks that support, we can see September maybe go down to 300, maybe even down to the 350 level. And if we see another consolidation, is it going to go downward to another breakdown, or is it going to consolidate upward into a breakout or a breakdown? This is going into September. So this is why I haven't bought any boxes yet, because I'm not going to pay in FOMO in to these Timmy prices up here, right? The Timmys are Metazoo to the moon and Metazoo $1,000 and all the craziness that they were saying. There is room for the boxes to grow down lower based on previous price action support. All right, this is a simple breakdown of my chart analysis. Remember guys, this is not, don't take this as financial advice. This is just my opinion on how I'm doing this and why I'm looking at it like this and why I haven't bought my boxes yet. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, but I I have enjoyed the game after following pre-market July, not wanting to get on the cash scheme. I fell in love around this time frame between August and August 8th. I fell in love with the game. We gotta put a big red heart, actually, not a green one. I fell in love with the game at this point. The artwork caught my heart. The artwork caught my heart, and that's when I've been following the game since then. But I don't want to get on these tinny prices because I am a player at heart and a collector next. Because, you know, you have to play something. You have to enjoy it, in my way, in my case anyways. I can't collect something that I don't enjoy playing. And I've been playing the game. I've been testing with proxy cards, and I've been liking it. I've been loving it. Hopkinsville Goblin King is my favorite card. Is my favorite artwork. So I'm building the deck. I'm working it out. I'm testing it. I love playing it. I want to play competitively. I want to win tournaments with it. I love the fourth wall effects. I think the gameplay is nice. But then again, I don't want to pay these Timmy prices. So I will be keeping my eye around September if the boxes continue to consolidate downward and see where the next consolidation low is, if it's going upward, if it's going downward, and then kind of judge based on analysis and see where I'm going to go in there. But for all you that cash grab here, congratulations. For all you Timmies that bought between like 2.5 weeks to the third week, you are a loser. It is what it is. Up front, gotta say it. And yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to make it quick. I didn't want to take you guys too much. I didn't want to take up too much of your guys' time. And it is what it is, man. About the meta. Hope you guys enjoyed it.